Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin witnessed a liquidation massacre in the last 12 hours, wiping out $300 million in longs and $56 million in shorts. It was a roller coaster ride, and the heat map explains it all. Initially, liquidity seemed sparse, but shorts began stacking with $100,000 as a key liquidation price. What followed? A sudden range break and a surge to nearly $100,500, wiping out shorts in a massive squeeze. But the celebration was short-lived. Within minutes, Bitcoin flash crashed, erasing its 2.5% gains from earlier in the day and plunging lower to $97,500. Why? Market makers pushed prices down to liquidate longs piled up at key levels of 97,900, 97,500, and 97,400. Despite the chaos, the daily support around $99,600 was a significant pivot point for much of the day. Looking at the heat map now, liquidity clusters remain heavy on both sides. Below us, levels start at $97,200 and extend all the way down to $95,500. On the flip side, the brightest zones are above, with targets around $100,900, $101,000, $102,000, and even up to $103,300. My personal bias? I expect an upward move from here without a deeper dive into the lower liquidity zones. While a flush to $95,000 is plausible, I find it unlikely given the strong support at $96,500. For now, I'm sticking with my long position from this morning, entered at $99,500, ready to ride the next wave. In other news, MicroStrategy continues its Bitcoin accumulation spree. They've acquired an additional 21,550 Bitcoin for approximately $2.1 billion at an average price of $98,783 per Bitcoin. This brings their total holdings to 423,650 Bitcoin, acquired for roughly $25.6 billion at an average price of $60,324 per Bitcoin. Their quarterly yield stands at an impressive 43.2%, with a year-to-date yield of 68.7%. Join the conversation in the free Discord linked in the description, where I share real-time updates on every move I make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more daily Bitcoin-related technical analysis. And see you in the next one.